Hi, my name is Mike Smith. I'm the president of AeroCom. We're an enterprise hosted VoIP and ISP broker. So today I'm going to be talking to you about how service providers price hosted VoIP differently and making sure that if you're quoting hosted VoIP for your company, you find the service provider who's got the best pricing structure for your company's needs. So this is the third video in a three-part series. The first part I talked about mix and match feature packages versus all or nothing. The second video I talked about call paths and how different providers price differently for call paths. This video is going to be on features. So the third major differentiator in how service providers structure their pricing is on features. So some service providers give you all the features with every single user that you have. That's their default. While some other service providers charge you maybe either service or feature packages, or maybe they price out features a la carte one at a time. So it really depends on your company's needs. So if your company has almost every employee needs all these features and has a ton of features, then you're going to want to find a service provider that kind of wraps up all the features as their standard pricing, because those providers tend to have better pricing on features when you have a lot of employees. So for instance, if your company has a lot of folks who need contact center, maybe half your company needs contact center and call recording and call reporting and some advanced features, you want to find a provider who's got a base package with all the features included right out of the gate. But if your company doesn't need all those features, say most of your company just needs kind of call transfer and voicemail and some basic stuff,
totally,
then you're going to want to find a provider who prices out for features separately, because for those basic users, if you have a lot of basic users or almost all basic users or all basic users, it's going to be a lot less expensive if you find a provider who prices for those features more a la carte, or maybe in feature packages, so that you don't have to get the biggest feature package for every single employee. So those are the two main ways providers price out features. Make sure when you're quoting service providers for hosted VoIP, you find the provider who's got the best pricing structure for your company when it comes to features, either all-inclusive features or a la carte features, or maybe feature packages. I hope that was helpful. Also, check out our other videos from this series. I hope you'll find those helpful as well. And as always, if you have any questions, just email me, call me. I'm happy to answer them. As a broker in this industry for a long time, I've been doing this for a long time. It's no big deal. I'm doing this stuff every day. I'm happy to help. I love helping you out, answering questions. So just let me know. And as always, if you just want to browse some of this stuff on our website, go ahead and go to our website, aerocominc.com, and look up the hosted voice section. So you go type in hosted VoIP, hit enter, and then you'll find all these reviews on different hosted VoIP providers. And on the left-hand side, you'll see that you can filter over 100 service providers by feature, capability, service area, all kinds of cool stuff. I personally spent hours putting all that stuff together. So I hope you really enjoy it, take advantage of it. But if you need pricing on any of it, absolutely contact me or our company. We will make sure to get you better pricing on any service provider you're interested in, way better pricing than if you call them on your own. So I hope that was beneficial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.